Hi everyone. So today I'll be solving some more questions from the coordinate geometry chapter where using distance formula and section formula. Okay, so today I've taken the questions from the optional exercise of NCERT book. So the first question is that determine the ratio in which the line divides the line segment joining the points A and B. So that means there are 2 points. Say point A, which is given to be 2, comma minus 2, and another point joining this, okay. So another point is B, that is 3, comma 7. So this line segment is there, and we have to find the ratio in which this line divides this segment AB, okay. So let this be the line, okay. So let this be the line, which is given by twice x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so this line is this one. So let the line divides AB at the point say P, and in coordinate geometry you always have to give the coordinates along with the point. So you write let P be the point at which this line divides or intersects the line segment joining A and B at this point, and also let this point P divides AB in the ratio k:1. So why I have taken k:1, you know, because I have to find the ratio, so I'll be using the k formula, k form, section formula in the k form. So we write let the line twice x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 cuts the segment AB at pxy, okay, and divides it, or let me write which divides it, which divides AB in the ratio k:1, say, because we have assumed, okay. So let this line cuts AB at P, which divides this segment AB in the ratio k:1. So in the question we have to find the ratio, means that we have to find the value of k. That is the question basically. So you have understood. So now what you have to do, now since we know this P dividing this AB in the ratio k:1, so we can apply section formula. So therefore by section formula, what is, let me write down again, and always you should write the formula in exam also. Whatever formula you are using, you have to write it. So what is this? Kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, and y is equal to ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. This formula will be using. So this is your x1 y1, and this is your x2 y2. So therefore what will be x? X will be, and we also know in this we can write k into this, it will go in this way. So kx2, or so k into x2 is your 3, so 3k plus x1 is your 2 divided by k plus 1, and what will be y? Y will be ky2, y2 is your 7, so it is 7k plus y1 is minus 2, so let me write it here, minus 2. I am writing directly plus minus 2 upon k plus 1. So this is okay. So I am writing the coordinates of this point which is dividing AB in the ratio k:1 by section formula. So this is okay. So you see k into 3 plus 1 into 2 by k plus 1, and similarly k into 7 plus 1 into minus 2 by k plus 1. So these are the values of x and y by section formula. Now we can put these values of x and y in this equation of the line, isn't it? So therefore since pxy lies in twice x plus y minus 4 is equal to, in this line, this point. So this point, these values will satisfy this equation. That is the main thing. Okay, these are the coordinates of the point P. Let me write down here. Dissection formula: coordinates of point P are these. So since P lies on this line, so its coordinate will satisfy this equation. So we put the values of x and y. Therefore 2 into, in place of x I will be writing this 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 plus y means 7k minus 2 by k plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So you have just put the values of x and y. Now we have to simplify and get the value of k, and in this we will be knowing the ratio. So let us do the simplification. So what can I do? Let me take LCM k plus 1, and what I can do, I can take this 4 to the other side, then it will be easy for the simplification. So I am taking the 4 to the other side. Okay, so this is okay. So what can I do now? I simplify. So 2 into this is just 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, now let us simplify. 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. Will come in this way. So it is 13k plus 2 and now cross multiply is equal to 4k plus 4 on cross multiply. Now bring this to this side. 13 minus 4 is 9. So 9k is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore k is equal to 2 by 9. And what is k? K is our m1 by m2. Therefore the required ratio m1 is to m2. Actually k is to 1 nothing. K is to 1 is your m1 is to m2. This is we know. So m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 9. So this is the answer. So this line divides the join of these two in the ratio 2 is to 9. Okay. So in this way solve this kind of question. Next question that I have taken also from the optional exercise is the third question of the exercise. Now, what is the question? Find the center of a circle passing through these 3 points. So that means, suppose we have a circle. Okay, and the circle is passing through these 3 points. So let me name them. Okay. So let me show the points. Say this. Suppose this point is say A, and 3, 3. Give the name. Say A. Say this is B, and this is okay. Now let me give in this one. This one is A, B, and let me take the convention on C. So this point will be C. C. Then B is 3, minus 7. A is, so let me take A here. So somewhere here A 6, minus 6, and let me take B here. Say B, the point say 3, minus 7. So the circle is passing through these 3 points, say A, B, and C. 6 minus 6, 3 minus 7, and 3. Okay. So now what the question is, you have to find the center of the circle. So that suppose this is the center O. And let the coordinate be x, y. So the question is that you have to find the values of x and y. So you write let the coordinate of the center be x, y. Okay. Now so there are 2 unknowns x and y. So we need minimum 2 equations. So first of all we have to look for to observe what speciality is there in this. You observe. Now you see since the 3 points lying on the circle, so the distances of the 3 points from the center will be equal, and they will be equal to the radius. So that means OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is the radius of the, since they are the radius of the circle. Okay, right, since they are radius. Therefore they will be equal. That we observe. So now we can group any two to get an equation. So why grouping? Because now we have to use distance formula. So before grouping we have to observe whether abscissa of any 2 points are same or ordinates of any 2 points of same. You see. So here I see the point B and point C, they have equal same abscissa 3. So I will choose OB and OC. That means, so that's why I'll choose. Why I've chosen? Because I have observed the abscissa are same. Or if any 2 points have ordinates same, then also I can choose in this way. So that is why you will understand why, what will be the benefit of choosing in this way. So you write, first we take OB is equal to OC. So by distance formula I can write under root, what will be OB? You know, if you remember the formula, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square, and that will be equal to, OC will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So therefore this you can write by using distance formula. Therefore by distance formula, this you should write. And what is distance formula? If you write that one, that will be better. What is distance for D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this formula I have used, this distance formula, to find the values of OB and OC. Okay. Now squaring both sides, the radical signs will be removed. Squaring both sides, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now you see, radicals are removed, and now you observe, before opening all these or expanding, you observe this is x minus 3 whole square and this is also x minus 3 whole square. So these two we can simply cancel. And that's why you see, now you understood why I have chosen these two. So if any 2 points have same abscissa, that's why these two terms are same by the distance formula. That's why we have observed this thing. So you take care while choosing which two sides to be taken and compared first, so that one of the variable is eliminated. So my work will be easier now. I have to deal with only one variable. That's why this have chosen this. So now I will be able to expand this. Or we can open now y square, a plus b whole square, 7 to the 14, twice ab plus b square is 49 is equal to 6y plus 9. So using the identity a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So y square getting cancelled. And if you bring to this side, so it is 20y is equal to, this will go to that side. So it will become minus, so it is minus 40. So therefore y is equal to minus 2. So you see how easily I could find out the value of y, as the one of the variables eliminated by observing the abscissa of these 2 points same. I have chosen OB is equal to OC. So now I can, for finding the value of x, now I have to take another pair. So now I can take, say, OA and OC I can take, OA OC or OA OB, anything I can take. Now I am taking OA is equal to OC also, or their square will be equal. So by distance formula I can directly write, by distance formula, OA will be x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square, this is OA square, and OC will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square by distance formula. Okay, the same process I have written. I have not written in details. The same way I have directly come to this stage. Okay. So now I can put the values of y is minus 12, putting it here. So x minus 6 whole square plus y is your minus 2 plus 6 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 3 whole square. Okay, now I can open. So x square minus 6 to the 12x plus 36, and what will be 6 minus 2 is 4, so 16 x square minus 6x plus 9, and it is 5 minus 5 whole square is 25. So this x square getting cancelled, so this will be a linear equation in x, in one variable. So we can very easily solve now. So let me take 6x to this side, so it will become plus 6x, so it will become minus 6x is equal to, this I have taken in this way, so the 9 plus 25 will be plus, so it is 34, and this will go to minus, this 36 plus 16 you can do, that is, so minus 6x is equal to minus 18, so therefore x is equal to 3 6 18, 3, x is 3. So therefore the answer, the coordinate of the center is your O was xy, so x is your 3, minus 2. So in this way we can find out the coordinate of the center of a circle which is passing through different points. So main thing here I have shown you that you have to observe which pair of the radii to be taken, so that I can eliminate one variable. Generally that's why you observe for same abscissa or same ordinate, so that one of the variable will be eliminated. Then taking any other pair, we can get the other variable. So in this way we solve this. Okay. Now the next question which I have taken from the NCERT optional exercise, and is the question number 4 of the optional exercise. So what is the question? Two opposite vertices of a square are these and these. You have to find the coordinates of the other two vertices. Okay. So let us draw a square. A square, let me write A, B, C, D is a square where all the sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degrees. This is, square. And what is given? Two opposite vertices. So let me take A and C. So let A is given to be minus 1, 2, and the other opposite vertex C is given to be 3, 2. This is given, the coordinates of the two opposite vertices. Now we have to find the coordinates of the other two vertices, that is coordinates of point B and point D. Okay. So now let's first take for B. Let the coordinate of the B be x and y, that we take. Okay. So now again here we have to use the properties of square to get the equations. Okay. So let me first take AB is equal to BC, that I take. Since AB is equal to BC, find the sides of square. That's right. Then by using distance formula, by using distance formula, what is that? That the distance between any 2 points is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the under root sum of the different square of abscissa and different square ordinates. Okay. So let me write down. So AB is equal to, AB will be x minus plus, so x plus 1 whole square. This I am writing directly. Then y minus 2 whole square. This is your AB is equal to BC. BC will be x minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Y minus 2 whole square. Okay. So I am getting these two by distance formula, if you are from the diagram. So next what I'll be doing, I'll be squaring both sides. So the radical sign will be removed. So squaring both sides. Okay. X plus 1 whole square. Okay. Removing the radical sign. Again here, before expanding them, you observe whether any terms are similar. So you observe this one and this same, both are y minus 2 whole square, so I cancel out. So before that you have to observe. So now I open this. So x square plus twice x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. Using the identities, x square getting cancelled, 6x will come to this side, so it will become 8x, will be equal to 1 will go to that side, so 8, therefore x comes out to be 1. So I have got the value of the abscissa, that is x. Now for getting the value of the other variable y, I have to get another equation, so I have to use another property. So since this is 90 degree, if I join the diagonal, I can use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, I can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay. Now what was AB? This was your AB. Okay, so I can use this directly. So what is AB square? I can write x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus BC is BC. This was BC, so we can write down. I'm looking at this. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to, okay. Now what will be AC? Apply distance formula. AC will be this one, so AC square, so it is, I can remove the radical sign, 3 plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 will be 0, that is 2 minus 2 whole square. So now what will I be doing? I can put the value of x here. This value of x can be put. So in place of x I am putting 1 plus 1 whole square. Now this is y minus 2 whole square, this is also y minus 2 whole square. So I can write twice of y minus 2 whole square. Instead of opening 2 times, I can write in this way. You observe these things. X is your 1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 plus 1 4. 4 square is 16 and this is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Can you see this? 2. Okay. Let me write it clearly. This was your 2 minus 2 whole square. So it was 0. So in this way, I have written now. Again you see, this is your 2 square is 4 plus 2 into y minus 2 whole square plus again 3 minus 1 minus 2 whole square is 4 is 16. So if I simplify, 2 into y minus 2 whole square, 16 minus 8 is 8, or y minus 2 whole square is 4, which gives you, taking square root, y minus 2 is equal to plus minus root 4 is 2. So from this I am getting two values of y. Therefore either y is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4, or y is equal to 2 minus 2, that is 0. So I have got two values of y, 4 and 0, but there is only one value of x. It means what? To satisfy this condition, that is, these are the vertices of a square. So this same thing, that is the same values I will be getting if I consider the point D also, because for D also AD is equal to DC, you see. So if I consider AD is equal to DC, I will be getting x is equal to 1. And if I use AD square plus DC square is AC square, Pythagoras theorem, then also I will be getting these two values of y. So that means what? The possibilities of 2 points are there, that is abscissa is fixed, that is 1. So with 1, either I can take 4, the value of 4, or I can take 1 with 0, because y is equal to 4 or y is equal to 0. So one, this is fixed, so one can go with 4 and also one can go with 0. That means 2 points are possible. 2 points are possible which will satisfy the condition that to be vertices of these 2 points, because B and D are satisfying the same set of conditions. So that's why these 2 points are maybe the coordinates of B and D. So we can choose any one of the, say if say this is your B, then the opposite one D will be this, or if this is D, then this will be B. Okay, or if this is D, then this will be B. So in this way, you understood the thing. So the other 2 vertices will be 1, 4 or 1, 0. That is the answer. This is the answer actually. This is the answer. The 1, 4 and 1, 0 are the other 2 vertices. Okay. So actually you can visualize, if I draw it, I think it's okay. Or if you want to visualize this, it will be like this, you see. I'll show you. So it is the Cartesian plane, origin x-axis, y-axis. So -1, 2 will be somewhere here. If it is -1 and say 1, say 2, somewhere here, here will be A. This point is A, and then C will be 3, -2. So 1, 2, 3, and 2, it will be here, somewhere here. So this is your C. So AC is the diagonal, you see, this AC is the diagonal I got. Now you see, B1, 4, so this was your 1, 1, 4, if it is 2, so 4 will be somewhere here. So 1, 4 is somewhere here, this one, and the other point is your 1, 0, will be this one is 1, 0. This is your 1, 0, and this is your 1, 4. So you see how I am getting the square, you see. So that is the okay. So these are the other 2 vertices. Now you can see. So it is up to you what name you give. So if this is your B, this is D. If I take this to be B, this will be D. Or if I take this B, it will be D. So I think it is clear to you how I get the things. The concept is required. Okay. So that's all for today. Bye.